Hey everyone, welcome back to Nurni's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make potato gratin and they're very easy to make. This works great for breakfast or side dishes. Start by thinly slicing your potatoes. Add milk and cream over the top. I did forget to add the salt earlier, so I'm adding it now. Don't forget yours. Once everything is combined, place it in the convection oven at 380 Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender and the top is bubbly and golden. Take it out of the oven, then add the cheese that you want to use. In my case, I'm using a Mexican blend cheese mix. I used one from Costco. I also sprinkle on some curry seasoning and black pepper, and then put it back in the oven until the cheese is fully melted. As you can see, it's such an easy and delicious recipe to try. Let me know how it turns out, and thanks for watching.